We guide you through how to update Windows 11 drivers quickly and safely. So the first thing you need to do is to click the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Once inside, look for the category of the driver you want to update, like display adapters, sound, or network. Click the small arrow to expand it. Then right-click the specific device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers so Windows can find the latest version and online and install it for you. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, you can still check manually by selecting Search for Update Drivers on Windows Update. Now, go back, open Settings, click Windows Update and hit Check for Updates. Then install any optional driver updates available. Restart your computer to apply changes for better performance. You can also visit device manufacturer's website, download the latest driver, and install it manually.